This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Lanee Scott. 2209 and 2215 Mouser is being sold together. This church building with nice size sanctuary has an office, 2 half baths and a kitchen. The front door of church to be replaced. The cute little parsonage is 757 square foot, was previously used as an event center but is currently being converted back into 2-bedroom and 1.5 bath. Great rear parking with overflow at the parsonage. This property is minutes from downtown Dallas. Buyer and buyer's agent to verify all information. For more information, review the details below or contact Lanee Scott at 469-523-1863.